there, guys. Today, I'll be we'll be doing it's a secure lever. It's an antique padlock. I got this from eBay. It came with a key. Looks like someone had cleaned the lock up. Looks like a brand new key to it. The lock does work. Really nice lock. I don't think it's I think it's just like a one lever lock. Um, but I'm going to try to open it up. I'm just going to use a tension wrench. Well, and there we are, we're open. It says made in the USA on the back of it. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll be back with more videos.